I'm going to show you how to make these little pom-poms. It's super easy.
You're going to need whatever yarn you want to use and some sharp scissors. You can get a pom-pom maker at a craft store or online. They come in so many different sizes. Today I'm going to use the 2.5-inch maker. You're going to open the arms on one side of the maker and you're going to start wrapping your yarn around. Don't worry about the tail that's at the end. We'll deal with it later. So keep wrapping, being sure to keep your yarn as close to each other as possible. It's faster when you use a chunky yarn, but you can use a thin yarn as well. I'm going to wrap all the way to one end, and then I'm going to stop and start wrapping back in the other direction. I've sped up the video here just to make it go by a little faster. I'm going to close that arm to see if I can fit more, and I can see here that I can. So I'm going to do one more pass of wrapping the yarn because I want a big fluffy ball of yarn. I'll close the arm, wrap the other side of the arms and close it. I'm going to hold on tight so that the maker doesn't come open in the middle, and I'm going to start cutting the yarn down the middle. There's a little groove where the scissors will fit. I'm going to string a long piece of yarn into that groove, being sure to keep the maker closed. I'm going to tie a few knots tightly to keep it in place. I'll open each arm and then pull the maker apart in the middle. Trim any long pieces. To make them extra fluffy, I'm going to steam all around them with an iron, and that's how you get puffy pom-poms.